So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a simple node tree setup for DaVinci Resolve. I know the color space tab can get a little bit intimidating, so we're gonna set up this node tree and then you can implement this through all your footage, but I'm also gonna make this downloadable. So if you don't even wanna watch the video, you can go to my link in my bio, go to the Gumroad, simple node tree, download it, boom. Hop into DaVinci Resolve, but first we need to go down here to the settings wheel. Go to your settings wheel and then go to color manage, and then you wanna make sure your color science is set to DaVinci Wide RGB. Your timeline color space is DaVinci Wide Gamut. And then make sure your output color space is either Rec 709A or Gamma 2.4. Gamma 2.4 is the standard, so I would go Gamma 2.4. I'm on Mac, so I use Rec 709A. So now we are in the color tab. If you don't see nodes, you want to come up to the top and then hit nodes right here. And then this should show you a node. We want to add 3 more nodes to this, so 4 nodes in total. And if you want to add a node, just hit Option S or Alt S if you're on Windows. Boom, we got 4 nodes. And then we're gonna make this first one, we're gonna make this our CSTN. If you don't know what CST means, it's color space transform. So basically we wanna transform our color space from one thing to another thing. And then we're gonna skip one, and then we're gonna make this one a CST out. And then this right here is gonna be our LUT. So if you wanna add any LUTs, if you got any LUTs that you wanna add to your footage, you can add that there. And then this one, we're gonna turn into a compound node. So if you go here and then you right click this clip and then hit Command, boom, we can create a compound node. So we're gonna rename this to adjustments. Now inside this compound node, we wanna make 4 more nodes. So add 3 more to this one. And now we got 4 nodes inside this adjustment node. So our first one is gonna be a white balance adjustment. Our next one is gonna be for exposure. Next one after this is gonna be for saturation. And our last one is gonna be for contrast. Now we need to go to the CST in and then the CST out. So we're gonna hit on our CST in, we're gonna go over to effects, and then we wanna add a color space transform. If you don't see it right here, just search it and you'll be able to find it. So for our input color space, I shot this in S-Log3 Cine. So we're gonna go down to Sony S Gamut 3 Cine. If you shot this in C-Log or D-Log, whatever the case, make sure you set whatever your color space is for your particular camera. I use Sony, so this is gonna be for Sony. And our input color space is gonna be S-Log3. Now for our output color space, we're gonna change this to DaVinci Wide Gamut, and then our output gamma is gonna be DaVinci Intermediate. Now if we go to our CST out, we wanna add another color space transform, and then our input color space for this is going to be DaVinci Wide Gamut. Input gamma is going to be DaVinci Intermediate. Then our output color space now is going to be Rec 709. And then our output gamma, remember that setting I told you to change? Your output gamma is going to be the gamma that you are currently using. So I am using Rec 709A. So we're going to set it to Rec 709A. So boom, that's a simple node tree setup. That should get you guys rolling in DaVinci. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But as I mentioned, if you want to download this, just go to my bio, hit the Gumroad link, and it's going to be the simple node tree.